as we await the cue for our national anthem.
There's two of them. There's the other out there. Yeah. Okay, the helicopter only.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular their bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave, the
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. A big round of applause for Kirby through his series of maneuvers. Kirby Chambliss, last December, was the most recent recipient of the coveted Airshow Memorial Showmanship Award. It is given to one airshow team or one individual one time a year at our Black Tie Awards banquet in December in Las Vegas. This man is a phenomenon. He began flying at age 24. He became the youngest commercial pilot at Southwest Airlines. He made captain at that airline at the tender age of 28. He is now the 5-time U.S. National Aerobatic Champion, 2-time Red Bull Air Race World Champion. Kirby Chambliss holds 13 medals in world competition. Now he lives an idyllic life of a guy that has worked hard all his life. He has a ranch between Tucson and Phoenix. It's called the Flying Crown Ranch. And if you're of a certain age, you might remember a television program starring motion picture star and TV star Kirby Grant. He played Sky King, a rancher who fought crime with an airplane. Lived on the Flying Crown Ranch with his nephew Clipper and his niece Benny. A little series that ran back in the black and white days. Well, maybe it's no coincidence that Kirby Grant was the leading man in both movies and TV, and that Kirby Chambliss is living that life on the Flying Crown Ranch. He's got a hangar attached